Hey guys, I am sending you a video from my store. When you walk down the row, you will come to my retractable banner that tells you all about us. Come this way and just keep on going. You will see our store. You will see our lovely information boards. Yes, go ahead and catch that item of the week. Grab some contact information while you at it. Come over to our sanitizing table. And again, that's my banner up there. Right, come on, let's go ahead and go on the inside. All right, so over here when you first come in, you will see our hot sellers, our exclusive items, and what's new to Privy. This is our front display table. Kind of letting you know that yes, we love purple and every vibe that it has to offer. Okay, over on this side you will have our beauty side, so you'll see some lashes, some makeup brushes. That you do not see in the picture is our body butter jars. Those are made to order. We got some more makeup brushes up top and around her with some nice earrings. Above you will see our shelf of handbags. Yes, honey. Okay. And then right over to the right, as soon as you come in, you will see our Privy Kitty. And that is our kid section. Yes, and as time comes, this will have different things on it, so that will not ever stay the same. Then you have the sitting area, and then bring you over to the apparel. All right, if we make a U-turn, a complete 360, you will see the opposite side of the display. All right, looking over in front of the register. This is a spotlight item that we do like to put on the spotlights. Yes, give her some shine. Let her see you. Okay, our back focal wall. You will see over the counter, we have another row of handbags. In our corner over there, you'll see some hats, some bags. Right now for the grand opening, another bag was under there just like that, but in white. But for the grand opening, I do have some flutes that are turned upside down because we are offering wine when you come browse today. Yes, go ahead and taste some bubbly. Okay, that is our back focal wall. That is the mommy and me section right there. All right, again, that's overlooking the apparel. Right, taking you back over into this corner, you have some bags up there with some hats, some items along here. Okay, all right, that is our rumpers, jumpers, and some dresses with some bags up there as well. And along the side, over on this back row, you do have some items here. Okay, these are our tops and bottoms. Go along the back, we got some hats up there for you, nice little bag. Right, if you want to sit down, catch your breath, go ahead and do so. Right, you got another bag section here, some wallets. And then on this back side, you have some little bit of everything. You got some dresses, you got some dusters, you got some oversized dresses here. So yeah, you would definitely find what you are looking for. Not all items are on our website as of yet. Right over here on this side, you see my lovely son. Over here on this side is tops and bottom. Now these are actually sets. I know you're thinking, well, didn't you just show us top and bottom sets? Well, the difference between this one over here is sets that actually come together as is. Whereas over here on this side, these are our suggestions, meaning the tops do not have to necessarily go with those bottoms. That is our suggestion, okay? And that's the difference of that. That is again behind my register. Okay. More fixing her Privy Kitty. And over there is another area too where you can find some nice little moto pants. On the corresponding items to dress as you see fit. Oh, I did want to show you these nice little guys over here. All right, these are our wrist fanny packs. It actually goes on the wrist. So if you want like a light day where you just want to grab some money, some keys, and go, that's your friend. Put it on your wrist and you can adjust it in the back. So do adjust in the back. Okay. And then again, this is the overview in the front. That is my niece Nobi. For those that don't know, she is babysitting. So, all right. Okay, so come out and shop. We're located at 239 Greens Road, store number 219, Houston, Texas 77060. You can also catch us on our website, which is www.privysidity.com, and on social media on Facebook as Privy Sidity, Instagram, Privy Sidity, and join our Facebook group, which is Privy Sidity Boutique. Every now and again, you will see our uploads to our new YouTube channel, and that is also Privy Sidity. All right, that's my lovely son. All right, y'all. Thank you for stopping by. Again, that address is 239 Greens Road, store number 219, Houston, Texas 77060. Let me go back and grab some information for you. Right? And definitely stay current on the latest information by joining that email list down below. All right, y'all. See you later. Bye.